Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about this JOILCAN tripod. It's a tripod I bought off Amazon. There's lots and lots to choose from. This one had a discount on it and a coupon, so it's a pretty good deal. I'm replacing this one because I've had another one that I bought new in 1985, and I'm due for a new one. It's just not holding together, it was loose, so I thought I'd get a new one. These have a lot of different uses, you know, if you're doing videos like I'm doing now, or if you want to do some family portraits. They are quite handy. So this is going to do an unboxing of this and see what we got. Nothing else in there. Looks like we got a cell phone mount. The problem now I see these things, the cell phones are getting so big now. All of those things need to be a little bigger, but okay, so this does come with a cover. Please. Oh, comes really slick how that opens up compared to my other one. My other one's kind of been a pain to work with. Looks like that's the mount. What else we got here? Another type of mount. These obviously are the feet. One thing I did like about this one, compared to it had a little crank on it for going up and down. So that's one mount. Let me see, I'm probably put so you can see my hand there. Of course, always read the instructions later, right? Figure everything out first, then read the instructions. At least that's what I do. Okay, so that's one of the, maybe for a full mount. Some type of different mount. So it looks like these feet kind of extend like that. Yeah, they lock way better than my other one, that's for sure. Oh wait, there's actually another extension beyond. Okay, there we go. Yep, I don't think I pulled that one out. The other one. We'll put the feet on. Yeah, you can see me. So it does go pretty high, it looks like. link to this. Amazon link in the description. One more foot. Okay, then it has this goes in here. I'm assuming, right? Yeah, it looks like it went there. We're doing that. Yeah, read the instructions later. Okay, so I'm gonna pull all these things out. Let me see a problem. I'm gonna try and move my camera over here. You can see of course you can see my cordless collection over there. Some of my cordless tools. This does go way higher than my other one. It does go pretty high. Got the little crank thing. Oh, that's pretty high. Let's get a tape measure. That might be high enough to look over your neighbor's fence, huh? Looks like about 73. Yep. So 73 inches is the max on that. Of course, there's these all adjust on each side, and it's actually pretty sturdy. So if you're looking for a tripod, you know, check this one out. Looks pretty good. If you have any questions, put in the comments. Like always, if you like what you're seeing from this channel, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.